Hey there, GameDoctorToronto here, and it's the day after our Summer Sizzler Pinball Tournament 2023. And what a great event it was. We had 24 participants, and right over here was our taste testing guy for Molson Coors. But anyways, during our practice rounds, there was a problem with the Ghostbusters. So I was able to MacGyver the error that was having. So the problem was the ball was going into the scoop here. It wasn't coming out. So I popped it open and I'll show you what I did. So what ended up being a problem was this wire broke off the micro switch. Now if you can take a look, the post is no longer there. The post broke off. So I was able to use my soldering iron to kind of eat away at the plastic around where the post is supposed to be. It's right in there. And then I was able to solder it, and it lasted through the tournament. Right there. Tugging on it, still good. That's a Game Doctor MacGyver. So I'm here today with a brand new switch, and I'm gonna put it in right now. So I got the switch removed. It has a custom little actuator here. So the ball lands on it, activates the switch, and then the coil knocks it out. So the way I like to buy my switch is I like to buy extra actuators, so then I can remove if it's not the right one, and I can customize it for what I need it to be. So I was able to manipulate the actuator to look like the existing one that was in there. So it's in there really good. And I just noticed there's a leaf in my pinball machine. Okay, so I dropped the playfield back down, powered it back up, it's in test mode. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Come to me. Alright, so here's the scoop I was talking about. Let's see what happens. Excellent. So let's watch it again. Switch picked it up, shoots it out. Excellent. So, one thing to remember when doing this type of manipulation with actuators that were not the exact part number, you gotta make sure that when you do it, your coil popper, your popper there, doesn't interfere with the actuator, or it's going to be a real short repair. And now she's all ready to be played with again. Thanks for watching. GameDoctorToronto out.